Hello, good morning. Welcome back to this online classes once again. So students, today we are going to learn tense transformation. That means change the tense, changing one tense to another tense. So students, let me tell you that we have already learned tense, active, passive. Okay, so today we will learn tense transformation. So here, while changing one tense into another tense, we have to remember one thing, that no matter which tense the sentence is, okay, we have to change this into the tense directed here. Okay, so she is singing a song. We have to change this sentence into simple past tense. Okay, you have to remember the simple past tense formula. Okay, subject plus verb, second form plus object. This is the formula of simple past tense. Okay, and one thing you have to remember, that while changing one tense to another tense, the be verb, that means helping verb and main verb will be changed. Okay, and the rest of the words will remain same. So here we will change she is singing a song into simple past tense. Okay, so she will remain same, and the be verb here, helping verb is and the main verb is singing. So in simple past tense we don't need any helping verb. Okay, so the main verb will be written in second form. She sang a song. Okay, she sang a song. And the second question is, they helped me. So we will change this into present continuous tense. So this sentence is in simple past tense. Okay, no matter what tense it is, we have to change this in present continuous tense. So they will remain same in present continuous tense. The be verb are, is, am, are. Okay, so here they is plural subject, so we will write here are. They are helping me, and full stop. Okay, if the sentence is affirmative, then we have to change it into affirmative only. Okay, and if the sentence is negative, we have to change it in negative, and if the sentence is interrogative, we have to change it in interrogative only. Okay, here the third question is, I did not go home. Okay, it is negative sentence and is in past tense. Okay, simple past, and we have to change it simple present. Okay, so in simple present, I be verb in negative sentence, do will come here. I do not go home. It is in simple present. I do not go home. And the fourth question is, did I read a story? So it is interrogative sentence and it is in simple past tense. Okay, we have to change this in past continuous tense. So in past continuous tense, the helping verb we use are was or were. Okay, so here I is a singular subject, so we will use here was. Was I reading a story? And question mark. And the fifth question is, are you going there? So this sentence is interrogative sentence and it is present continuous tense. Okay, we have to change this in simple future tense. So in simple future tense, helping verb will and shall are used. Okay, so here you is subject, so with you we use will. Okay, will, you, and the verb. In simple future tense, the first form of the verb is used. Will you go there? And question mark, because it is interrogative sentence. Okay, So and the sixth question is his teacher praises him. So this sentence is in simple present tense. We have to change this in present perfect tense. Okay. So remember the formula of present perfect tense. Okay. Subject plus has, have plus verb third form plus object. So his teacher is third person singular number. So the helping verb has will come here. His teacher has, and the main verb will be written in third form. Okay. His teacher has praised, Praised, praised him, and full stop. Next question is they are playing football. This sentence is in present continuous tense. We have to change this in future continuous tense. Okay. So in future continuous tense, its formula I have already taught in previous classes. So directly we change this now in future continuous tense. Okay. So they will remain same. They will be playing football, and full stop. So this sentence now became in future continuous tense. They will be playing football. And the next question is he wrote a letter. So this sentence is simple past tense. Okay, is in simple past tense. We have to change in simple present tense. So in simple present tense, he writes a letter, and full stop. And the next question is he is taking his dinner. We have to change this in past perfect. Okay. So in past perfect, helping verb had is used. Okay, only had is used, and the main verb should be written in third form. He had taken his dinner, and full stop. And the last question is he reads a book. So this tense is in simple present. We have to change this in present continuous tense. Okay. So in present continuous tense, helping verb is AMR are used. Okay. And the main verb should be written in ing form. He is singular subject, third person singular subject. So helping verb is will come here. He is reading a book, and full stop. So students, for today's online classes only this much. Thank you. Have a nice day.